Wow, fighter jets flying at low altitude over Donetsk right now, performing combat sorties. It looks like these are Ukrainian jets given the usage of decoy flares to counter heat-seeking surface-to-air or air-to-air missiles. This people can't believe that they are seeing Ukrainian jets here.
Ох, красавцы наши, красавцы!
Special agents of the Special Operations Center A of the Security Service of Ukraine created hell for the occupiers near Bakhmut. Location of Russian equipment in the Donbass. At least 10 self-propelled guns, 2 S-3 Akatsiya and 5 T-62M tanks, a couple of trucks got into the frame. Geolocation is now confirmed, waiting for the high Mars. And this Russian occupier had a nervous breakdown after he received a letter from his girlfriend.
Yeah.
Well, war is not like Putin lied to you, right? A train with American Abrams tanks was spotted in Germany in the direction of Poland. Apparently, this is part of the equipment that was unloaded a few days ago in the Dutch port of Vlissingen. Will they end up in Ukraine? Ukrainian soldiers somewhere in the area of the Donetsk airport.
Выше фонаря бери і... Ну, сюди, так, між надією, вода там. Це патрони вилітають. А я сейчас выйду. Да, я сниму. Где камера? На вот на эту сниму, я потом сниму. Сейчас. 16 мегапикселей.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.